A natural recipe to boost your immunity in a single night. Do you know someone who has the flu? Someone who is very tired with recurrent infections, or even hair loss? Lemon, garlic, honey and olive oil. What do these four have in common? All are highly medicinal. The combination of these ingredients is a treasure trove of nutrients that helps strengthen the immune system and optimize health. Before I tell you a little more about this recipe, comment on which city you are watching us in. For the recipe, you will need 4 cloves of garlic, 4 lemons, 10 tablespoons of pure honey, and 200 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Peel the 4 garlic cloves and cut them into small pieces. Now do the same process with the lemons. I'm going to take a moment and pass on a message that is in Romans 8:31. What shall we say then in view of these things? If God is for us, who can be against us? In this verse, the Apostle Paul asks a question reviewing the whole argument made earlier in chapter 8. For those who are in Christ, there is no condemnation, life in the Spirit, the sufferings of the present and the glories of the future, the assurance of God's love. Let's continue. Then transfer the garlic and lemon into a container, preferably a glass one. Pour the olive oil into this container. Now add the honey and mix well. When mixing, use a wooden or plastic spoon, but not a metal one. And your recipe is ready. You should use only the liquid part of the recipe. The ideal is 1 to 2 tablespoons before the main meals. And the storage should be in the refrigerator, okay? Simple, fast, and cheap. This is how you help strengthen the body's defenses in a natural way. You will notice the result in a few days. That's it, folks. Thank you to everyone who has followed me this far. May God bless you and all your family. See you in the next video. Bye.